not James Pope. You lied to me. You're not James. Are you?
Yeah.
You James Pope?
No.
I was gonna say you look too young to be James Pope. What's your name? I forgot.
Jimmy.
Jimmy Howell. That's fine.
Yeah. No, you asked me, do I know him?
No, we said, are you James Pope? And you said, yeah.
Oh, no.
Catch another charge on that.
What is that charge? False information?
On the 23rd of January, 2026, officers in Savannah, Georgia, responded to a Bill's outlet store after a report of a man concealing merchandise. What followed included a foot pursuit, a K-9 deployment, a false identity, and alpha keepers on the subject's person. He was already a convicted felon. He pled guilty to all 5 charges. The judge handed down 10 years, 2 in prison, 8 on strict probation.
Oh, I didn't know there was one coming behind
Yeah. Scared you?
So he is in the bathroom right now. He did take a pretty good armload of stuff in there with him. I was back trying to clean off my table full of stuff that wasn't where it was not belong. I literally had to run up here to call our people, but he is still in the bathroom. I don't know, like I said, it was a pretty good armload of stuff that he took.
Okay.
Can you tell us like a couple of things he took that you know?
Most of it was electronics.
You want press charges?
I'm not supposed to, but I'm sure the store will, because it's probably a good amount of stuff.
It's a yes or no question.
I'm not even supposed to call y'all out here. I just don't want him
We need to know if y'all are going to press charges before we go contact him.
to physically be. I can ask my security office. Let me call them right now and see and just explain to them that y'all are running by and I just call.
Restrooms over there. What was he wearing? Only say it was a green backpack with orange. There it is. I saw a black male walking with a backpack. Yeah.
There he goes.
He's going back.
He's in our break room.
Go.
I believe the suspect's trying to run out the back.
Yep. Hey, stop! Stop! Somebody go on 2nd Street. He's wearing all gray with a black backpack, running towards apartments. I ain't gonna run there.
Full discussion route.
Go get car.
He's running way over there.
All right. You see him?
I hear him.
Get a car and come bring it here.
Yes, sir. Hey, start a K9.
One for dispatcher. We have a K9 available.
Stand by.
I need a couple cars on Savannah, a couple cars on 2nd Street. Black male wearing all gray with a black backpack.
She said probably though. He's running that direction.
2nd Street?
Yeah, towards 2nd Street. Start him here and just take off.
10-4, we're going to be behind the businesses. We also possibly have a trespassing, shoplifting, and obstruction. Yeah, we just sent our way.
Yeah, he was in the bathroom in about time.
3150 West, who's quicker than now.
Black male wearing all gray with a black backpack. Yeah. I just want to make sure you're not hiding behind the tree.
No, I heard him running. I saw him go to that back.
Yeah.
And then as soon as I heard the back door open, I heard the siren going off and he went out. He had just got off the phone with Tino signing his warrants too.
There's a hole right here.
10-4. Black male wearing all dress red.
Right.
He jumped and started.
Right through here. Shoot. Yeah, he went running this way, so. I got you.
Dispatchers, be advised, we're located back in the woods.
Put your hands up!
Hey. Contact!
Put them up! Can you get there?
Show me your hands!
Put them up! I got him! Come on in! Come on in!
Get it done.
Roll over! Shut up! Roll over! Do it now! You're gonna get bit! Roll over!
Rolling over.
Hurry up!
Hey,
Stand up! Hands behind back!
Push your hands on your back! You will get bit!
I'm in a big...
Put it on your back now!
No!
Watch yourself! Watch yourself!
get it done.
Shut up!
Oh, don't tell me no shit.
Shut up! Now!
Put that damn dog.
Let's go! Shut your mouth!
Get it done away.
Let's go!
Okay, okay.
It's not my fault you ran! You put us in this situation! That's your fault, son!
I can't see.
I don't care! Walk!
Let's go!
Stop right here. Stop right here. Stop right here. All right. Hold up, hold up. Let's get a picture of this crap.
James Pope?
Huh?
Who are you?
James Pope.
James Pope. He has a warrant 99 out of barrel.
Oh, is he really?
Out of barrel.
Hell yeah, brother. Turn to the side. Stay there. You good? You think it'd be easier to go that way?
It's raining here. Yeah, somebody pick us up.
Stand up. Walk. Right there to that flashlight.
How many of y'all living?
A bunch of them. Keep walking. Walk over to this car right here.
Man, my ass soaking wet.
Stay right here.
I got an empty kettle.
Don't move.
Yeah.
I just patted him down.
Man, my ass is wet.
I think I got some in there. No. Look at that patch now.
I got you.
I got you. Take it around.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah. Little evening jog. That makes y'all look good.
It's not James Pope. You lied to me. You're not James. Are you?
Yeah.
You James Pope?
No.
I was gonna say you look too young to be James Pope. What's your name? I forgot.
Jimmy.
Jimmy Howell. That's fine.
Yeah. No, you asked me, do I know him?
No, we said, are you James Pope? And you said, yeah.
Oh, no.
Catching out of the church and then.
What is that charge? False information? Yeah. Okay.
I thought you're too old to run. You told me you're too old to run last time I dealt with you.
Who are you? Let me look at you. Oh, man.
What you started, man?
This shit funny, man. Man.
You do? What do you have in your
I
hands?
don't know.
I'll reach
Pull
for
him
it.
down. Pull him down. Not my pants. I'm talking about my pants. I was drawing. This goddamn.
He was hiding in a hole. He was hiding in a hole in the water. It was full of water.
You got anything on you, man?
That's the same kind of boots.
Right. That's probably where those came from.
Okay, run my name. I'm Jimmy Howard. The sheriff just came looking for me yesterday. Put that goddamn dog on me.
Bro, you told me to stop. You guys aren't around anymore. Yeah, dude.
Hold on a second. Hold on, get this one right here. Hey, yo, get this. The right, the left. God damn. Oh, shit. Just the left.
You have some light?
Ooh, wee. Right here.
Hold on, don't do anything stupid.
That's it. Yeah.
Let's see.
Get some light. Woo. Ooh. Yeah.
That's the best I can do.
All right.
That's it. You guys lift up a little bit.
So what am I charged with now? Shoplifting then?
I'll tell you in a second. You're under arrest. I'll tell you your charges in just 1 second. All right, what you need, bro?
I'm good. You said them. Hey, listen, open the door right here. I mean, window. I'm asthmatic. I should have been running.
All right. So he's asthmatic and he wants the windows out.
Yeah, the windows are open.
Shoplifting, obstruction.
Criminal trespass, I mean, he used employees' entrance with the it's like break room. So he went to unauthorized He went to an unauthorized entrance of the building.
Criminal trespass, obstruction, shoplifting, possession of drug or drug-related objects.
Yeah. And hopefully nothing else on him.
So there's 4 of them.
That's that I can think
Just holler if y'all find something on him.
We will.
Okay.
Come on, let's
Are you gonna want to press charges?
Oh, yeah, they found a ton of packaging. Oh, yeah, he broke a. Oh, yep,
And
he
he's
broke
got
some
several
alpha keepers.
on him wherever he was.
That was all on top of the trash can.
Oh, yeah, he broke some alpha keepers.
Sure thing.
You a Titans fan, man?
Oh no, man! I just into like thrifting vintage clothes.
Oh, okay.
And it's like
That is an
it's
old
an
school.
early '90s Reebok NFL hat.
Cool.
And it still has the like original.
Yeah, the original
authentication
sticker on it. That's pretty neat there. Cool. Have a good one. Do you know how much it has to be theft-wise, misdemeanor, or felony?
For shoplifting?
Do you know the price range?
I always get this one confused. For shoplifting it's 500.
22.
For what?
Over 500 is felony. Under 500 is misdemeanor. For shoplifting.
So what is shoplifting? It's a theft, right?
Right.
So the charge is theft by shoplifting. Yes. Right? It's gonna be $1,500.
1500. And then okay, so 500 is for like damage to property.
So
That's what that one is.
Criminal trespass is 500 and less. Criminal damage property is over 500.
Over 500. Okay, I get those two confused.
Yep.
So 1500 for.
So for theft, it has to be $1,500.
Yes, sir.
Unless it's a firearm, obviously.
Right.
Firearms automatic felony.
Tell me approximately how much this costs to fix or buy a new one.
That I don't know.
Just give me an
They're a
estimate.
lot.
They're more than $500?
They're probably less than that, I can tell you that now.
Would it be reasonable to say like $20 per container? Yeah. And then you want him criminal trespassed?
Yes.
Correct. Okay, thank you. I have no questions. Thank you.
You're going to jail for shoplifting, criminal trespass, obstruction, drug-related objects, and littering. Okay, one more time. Shoplifting, trespass, obstruction, drug-related objects. All the misdemeanors or felonies? Misdemeanors. Misdemeanors. You ain't got no warrants or nothing? You ain't got no warrants.
A retail LP tip combined with officer observation satisfies the reasonable suspicion standard under Terry v. Ohio for the initial contact. When the subject fled through an employees-only break room and triggered an emergency exit alarm, that flight independently established probable cause for obstruction under Illinois versus Wardlow separate from and additive to the original shoplifting investigation. K-9 deployment is evaluated under Graham versus Connor, 490, U.S. 386, The reasonableness of force from the perspective of an objectively reasonable officer on the scene. A. Felony-level theft suspect who fled on foot, hid in a water-filled hole in a dark wooded area, and had already evaded multiple officers. Satisfies the objective reasonableness standard for K-9 apprehension. O.C.G.A. Section 16814 classifies shoplifting as a felony when the merchandise value exceeds $500 in a single transaction. The officer's field discussion at entries 226 through 246 correctly identified this threshold. The confirmed felony charge reflects the electronics value clearing $500. The subject's prior felony conviction then activates Georgia's recidivist provisions which govern the sentencing outcome more than the theft. Alpha Keeper's security tag bypass devices found on the subject are legally significant. Their presence establishes premeditation and professional methodology, distinguishing organized retail crime from opportunistic theft. Under the instrumentality doctrine, possession of tools designed to defeat anti-theft systems while actively shoplifting constitutes evidence of the crime itself. Georgia's ORC provisions under O.C.G.A. Section 16814.1 address this conduct. Two additional charges arise from the flight. O.C.G.A. Section 1610.24 obstruction is satisfied by the foot, pursuit, and K-9 evasion. O.C.G.A. Section 16721 criminal trespass is satisfied by unauthorized entry into the employees only break room. The false identity claim implicates O.C.G.A. Section 1610.25, but does not appear in the 5 confirmed charges consistent with plea agreement absorption. Under O.C.G.A. Section 1710.7, Georgia's recidivist statute, a court may impose the maximum sentence for a subsequent felony conviction. The subject was already a convicted felon, guilty, plea on all 5 charges, 2 years in prison, 8 years strict, probation violation, missed check-in, drug test failure, or new arrest returns him to prison for the full remaining 8. Officers receive an A- effective response, correct pre-contact, charge confirmation, justified K-9, Alpha Keepers correctly identified, grade reduced for minor profanity, at entries 79 and 96 and brief field confusion on the threshold. The subject receives a D professional ORC, K-9 required, false identity, prior, convicted felon. The store employee receives a B+ for accurate, timely reporting. 4 takeaways. First, shoplifting exceeding $500 is a felony in Georgia. Alpha Keepers and electronics are ORC indicators. Second, flight adds independent obstruction and trespass charges. Third, A. Prior felony conviction activates Georgia's recidivist statute. Criminal history governs sentencing more than the theft itself. Fourth, a guilty plea in Georgia is admissible in civil proceedings. A no-contest plea is not. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.